guys, just another quick video here. So I wanted to show you how to use the online messaging system that is built into Aulo. We've designed this so that you can manage all of your Aulo clients in the one place, as opposed to having to use Facebook Messenger or your personal email address, which looks unprofessional, give out your personal WhatsApp, whatever it may be, okay? We've also designed it so that we can protect you against allegations as well. So if a customer comes to us and says, Bob Stone, has sent me something inappropriate, whatever it may be, we can go on and actually check through our admin portal whether that actually took place, okay? And vice versa as well, okay? If you're using WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, whatever it may be, we can't do that. We can't help you, okay? So please only use our messaging system for clients that you've gained through Aulo. Now, we're going to take you into the messaging system here. So Bob has received a question from a prospective client, and he's going to convert him into an actual paying client, okay? So he sent a question here. Hi, Bob, can your 12-week plan get me in shape for summer? Bob's replied, hi, Stephen, it definitely can. Let's get you signed up. Thanks, Bob. Okay, so let's say in this scenario, Stephen has went and bought a program. Bob's going to send him a questionnaire. He can attach it on here. A really quick and easy way to not let your inbox get filled, okay? So picture this, you've got loads of different emails coming in and you want to be able to quickly message your clients, okay? So once you're in here, you just click label, okay? And you create a new label, okay? So we're going to say this is client Stephen, okay? Save that. And that creates a wee orange label. Then click label again and label him as client Stephen, okay? So that wee box is ticked. So whenever you go out of here, you can quickly jump to client Stephen and you can see all of the emails that have taken place between yourselves, all the different subjects, whatever it may be. So that your inbox, whenever it has 20 different emails in here, you can get quickly to Stephen, send him a weekly check-in or whatever it may be, okay? So really quick, really easy. And whenever you do want to send a questionnaire or send their updated program, just start typing, Stephen, here's your new program. Okay, and then you just attach a file like you would normally, and then hit send. Okay, and that'll send through to them. Okay, really quick, really easy. Hope that has helped you work out how to label clients and make life a lot easier for you in terms of the messaging system. Again, any questions, please email info@aulofit.com and we will help.